So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix live wallpaper not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Lot of iPhone user reported that issue on their iPhone, live wallpaper not working. So in this video I will show you how you can fix that. Firstly, move to the setting app in your iPhone. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on wallpaper. Okay, you can see appears on screen, add new wallpaper. Now you can see appears on screen and the top live photos, tap on that. You can see appears on screen there is no live photo showing here, tap on all. Okay, select any of them. Suppose right now I'm selecting that one for example. Okay, now you can see appears on screen there is no live wallpaper option showing here in my iPhone. If I tap to three dot, it's not showing here or not working live wallpaper. So close that tabs and then open your iPhone camera. Okay, and take any picture. Suppose right now I'm taking this kind of picture in my iPhone. Okay, now go back again, tap on settings, tap on wallpaper again, tap on add wallpaper, again live photos, tap on all, select that one and wait for a moment. You can see appears on screen, it's showing that it's in process right now. Now you can see appears on screen, this time live wallpaper is disabled, tap on that and after that you can see appears on screen live wallpaper working well in my iPhone right now after that method. So you can easily fix that issue that your iPhone live wallpaper not working after iOS 17 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.